This visualization looks at the effect of the January 2010 earthquake on Haitian households. It uses data from FAFO and the Haitian Institute of Childhood. 10% of the 2,078 households surveyed reported being affected by the earthquake. This survey recorded 7 types of losses: death of household members, illness and health problems of household members, loss of access to health station and hospitals, loss of access to school, loss of income, loss of land and animals, and physical damages on houses and property. The left table shows all 7 loss types and departments in Haiti. The darker the shade of blue, the greater percent of surveyed households in a given department experienced a particular loss type. The map on the right shows the number of households surveyed in each department, indicated visually by the shades of blue and the magnitude of a given loss type in each department. On the right side of this dashboard, you can use this filter to select a certain loss type. The size of the red dot shows the magnitude of each loss type. In all categories, except for the loss of access of school and loss of land and animals, the West Department was hit the hardest by the earthquake. West has the largest population out of all the Haitian departments. It also houses the capital of Haiti, Port-au-Prince. Over 14% of households surveyed in West had houses or property that were physically damaged by the earthquake. Damaged houses and property can leave families physically and economically vulnerable. Over 1 out of 10 people in West Department and Sud-Est have experienced physical damages on houses and property due to the earthquake. Important because this leaves families and children in a precarious economic state. West Department has the highest population out of all the states in Haiti, and in the majority of loss categories, it has the highest percent of citizens who have experienced loss from the earthquake.